and I run a small handmade label called Rosery Apparel. Welcome back to another behind the brand video. I enjoyed filming the last one so much that I thought I'd have another go today at filming a little bit of a behind the scenes of what it's like to run a small handmade label, as well as some snippets of my day-to-day life. This week I'm going to be making the next collection for roseryapparel.com. So I thought I would share a little bit of the making process of that and a bit of behind the scenes of what it takes to make a collection for a small handmade label. So before I start cutting into the fabrics, I thought I would give you a little bit of a rundown on the fabrics. For those of you who don't know, Rosery Apparel is made from 100% recycled fabrics. So bed sheets, tablecloths, curtains. It takes a little bit of time to gather enough fabric to make a collection, but I'm really excited about this collection of fabrics that I found. I think they look so beautiful together and I love every single one. So I thought I'd just quickly show you the fabrics. This is them. How cute do they look all together though? I just think the colours just complement each other so well. So I'm just gonna grab each fabric and give you a little bit of a rundown on the fabric and like what it is and what I'm hoping to make out of it as well. So the first fabric I found is this beautiful tablecloth. Zoom in. Isn't that pretty? It's got this like subtle floral print throughout with beautiful bottle green and peach, which is a colour combination made in heaven in my opinion. I love it. Hopefully I stay in focus for most of this. Because of the tablecloth, there isn't a great deal amount of fabric in this piece, and there are some slight tears in it as well, but that's kind of the beauty of secondhand fabric, is it is worn. It's got this really nice worn quality because it has been used for many years, and I love that being transferred into the fabric. When you wear it, it does feel beautifully worn already, which is something I really enjoy anyway. But because there's not a great deal amount of fabric to work with, I'm going to be making this one into a wrap skirt. Last month, I think it was, I shared a little Instagram story of me making a wrap skirt and everyone seemed to get really excited about it. So I'm happy to announce that there are wrap skirts coming in the next collection, 3 to be exact. Yeah, if that's something you were interested in, then be sure to keep an eye out for those. The next fabric is one I'm absolutely in love with. It's a beautiful cotton fabric with like a linen quality to it. It's really lovely, in the most stunning paprika shade. I'm obsessed with this color at the moment, so I was so happy to find this fabric. It is genuine fabric, but it's secondhand. I bought it at the op shop. For this one, I am going to make something that I think will be a great addition to any wardrobe in the in-between seasons, so like when it starts to cool down or starts to warm up. And that is a thin strapped dress that you can wear shirts, t-shirts underneath. That's something I really wanted to add to my wardrobe, so hopefully others will feel the same, and I think I'm definitely going to have to keep one of those for myself because I'm obsessed with that colour. The next two came from the same bed doona cover, and they're these insanely beautiful geo print fabrics. So there's a grey version and white. But what I love about these fabrics is the geo cutouts. Not only are they cool shapes, but they're in absolutely all of my favourite colours. There's mustard, navy, peach, grey, teal, mint green. I couldn't believe it when I saw it, so I had to pick that one up. And I'm going to make a nicely loose fitting dress with cute little cap sleeves. But yeah, again, we'll have to keep one of those for myself because I'm just obsessed with that amazing print. The next one is this insanely beautiful peach textured tablecloth in the perfect shade of peach. I don't think I've made a collection for Rosery Apparel without something just peach. I'm obsessed with this colour. I think I always will be. I don't think I can wear it. It kind of clashes with my skin because I'm such a pink, peachy skinned person, and I'm going to be making a wrap skirt out of this one as well. The next find I was really excited about too is this beautiful polka dot fabric. This one's cotton fabric. Again, found from the op shop. I'm going to be making the thin strapped dress for layering again out of this set too. This one here was a remnant I picked up from work. I work at a fabric shop, so if there is a remnant left behind or something with a few faults that I can cut around and make something out of, then I always pick it up because it's still recycling. This one is a linen, it needs an iron, but It's just a linen polka dot fabric in the cutest grey colour, and I'm going to be making a wrap skirt out of this one too, which is going to look stunning. And the last one, which I'm so excited about, something I have never done for Rosery, is making t-shirts. I found this beautiful mustard jersey fabric, and I have been drafting my own t-shirt patterns to have a go at making a t-shirt for this collection. I'm also going to have a play, hopefully if I can master it before the collection goes out. I would love to actually embroider something onto the t-shirt to make it a little bit different, and I already have the design in mind. I'm going to keep it a surprise until I've actually released it. Really happy with this find and excited to give t-shirts a go. So I'm going to start cutting these ones out now, so cue the time lapses. A few weeks ago, something really exciting. I've made a cutting table for my sewing space now, so no more cutting on the floor, no more sore back. I can cut at my cutting table. I'll give you a little look at it now. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Here it is. I'm so happy with it. I painted it pink, and I also have some little pot plants here that I propagated from my spider plant, these ones, which hopefully will grow into big spider plants. And I bought these amazing hairpin legs, something I've been looking for ages, from Bunnings. So I'm not quite finished cutting out all the pieces yet, but the best thing just happened to me. Hold on. What do we have here? This cat just... Oh! I was putting the washing out and he just followed me inside. Actually, I think it's a she. Oh, she wants to go out. Hey! You want to go back out? Okay. I'm a little obsessed with cats, so that was really exciting for me. It's outside now, but I've left the door open, so hopefully it'll come visit me again soon. Okay, so I have done enough cutting for one day. I've cut out most of the pieces. There's just a few more that I'm going to do tomorrow after work instead. I'll show you the pieces cut out. They look really nice together, as I knew they would. And then I'm going to take some Instagram pictures of them just to share a little sneak peek. And yeah, here they are. And I love my new cutting table. What a game changer. So just before I finish up my Rosery Apparel work for today, I thought I would show you something I'm working on at the moment. I recently started live streaming my making process via Twitch. So I've signed up an account and I set up my camera and just talk to people while I sew things for Rosery Apparel or my personal sewing projects as well. This weekend I've kind of been thinking about how it's all gonna work. So what the relationship between Twitch and Rosery Apparel is, how I'm going to make it all like line up as a brand, whether it's something that I will continue to do or not, and whether people will find it interesting to watch as well. I really enjoy doing it, so I have found that it's completely out of my comfort zone, but every time I do it I really enjoy it. What I've been working on this weekend is kind of the branding for Twitch and how I will want to put that branding throughout all of my social media. Live streaming on Twitch will be kind of another form of social media, another way to get my brand out there, but also I think it would be really cool for customers to be able to see me making the garments for them live, real time. So yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you think it's a good idea or not. Would it be something that you would be interested in watching? Do do you have a Twitch account? Because I didn't until 2 weeks ago. I will show you now the designs I've been working on for my Twitch channel. It's just on my computer at the moment, but this is kind of the look I've been going for. Those peach tones with, I really love peach and terracotta, the colour of terracotta together at the moment. So I've really drawn from that kind of inspiration at the moment. But yeah, this is what I've been working on. I'm really happy with how it's all coming along. So I'll leave a link to my Twitch account channel down below, so if you wanted to, you can check out what I've been working on. It's a lot of fun. It's just something completely random, and I don't know if it's interesting, but people seem to like it. So I will be definitely doing more of that soon, and I will be announcing it like through my website and everything eventually. I'm kind of feeling it out at the moment, seeing if it's something I actually want to do, but I thought I'd share that little behind the scenes anyway, because I don't know, it's interesting. It might be an idea that will lead to nothing, or it might be something that I will do for a long time to come. So yeah, I just thought I'd share. I'm working the next couple of days, but I'll be back later in this video to show you the making process of the next collection for Rosery Apparel. So it's now Wednesday. I have a day off from my day job today. So far today I've had quite an exciting morning actually. Started off by cleaning up the house and then went out and bought myself a new phone. So I've gotten the iPhone XS Max. I haven't had a new phone for like 2 years, so I'm really excited to have a nice new fresh phone. It's got a good camera, which is really exciting because for ages I've just been using Matt's phone when we're out for taking Instagram pictures. I've never been able to use mine because I've got an iPhone 6, so it was good camera, but not compared to Matt's. So now I've got a camera that's on par with his, which is really good. And so yeah, I've just spent the morning kind of setting that up and downloading all my apps back onto it and things like that. So yeah, it's been a little bit of fun. So the first things I'm gonna start making for the next collection are some wrap skirts, and I'm hoping to make 4 of them today. So I better get started. I will show you the making process of them in this video. So here are all the pieces ready to start sewing. I need to pick out the wrap skirt pieces, so that's this one here, the polka dot, and the peach ones. So it's quite a few hours later now. Unfortunately, I didn't get the wrap skirts finished today like I was hoping, but that's okay because I'll just continue on with them tomorrow morning. I hope you like seeing a little bit of the time lapse of me making them, and I'll continue that on tomorrow so you can see the whole process. For now, I'm going to go for an afternoon walk. I've got a podcast episode that I've been meaning to listen to all week. I'm just going to put that one on and go for an afternoon walk. If I see anything pretty along the way, I'll be sure to capture it for this video, but otherwise I'll see you tomorrow. So it's the following day now. It's a freezing cold day. I don't know if autumn's here already, but it feels like it. So I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and then get on to finishing those wrap skirts I started yesterday. I'm planning on just spending the whole day sewing today, so hopefully I'll get as much of this new collection finished as I can today. I'm also hoping to do a Twitch stream later this afternoon, so I'll show you the behind the scenes of that and the way I set them up. But first, I'm gonna make that cup of tea. So the wrap skirts are done. Aren't they cute? I actually didn't have enough fabric to make the fourth one out of this peach, so there's only going to be one of each. But how cute do they look together? Now that they're finished, I'm going to get ready for my Twitch stream, have a bit of lunch, and once I've set up everything, I will show you a little bit of a behind the scenes of my Twitch stream. So I just finished my Twitch stream. I think it went really well. I had quite a few people viewing this time and we had some great chats in the comment section, which was really cool. I think I might end the video here actually. I think I will start a new one next week. So if you are interested in seeing the final collection that I'm working on, then be sure to keep an eye out for that video because that will have hopefully all the finished items in it. I hope you enjoyed following along and seeing the making process of the next collection and that this video was interesting to watch. Thanks for watching.